2 days after the city of Asbury Park revealed it would violate Governor Phil Murphy's executive order and allow indoor dining, Murphy announced the state is suing the Jersey Shore's premier dining destination.
And with regard to restaurants, we have worked with the governing body of Asbury Park to try to amicably resolve the issue of their resolution regarding indoor dining. Unfortunately, they have not done so. We have one set of rules, and they are based on one principle, and that is ensuring public health.
The Attorney General will be bringing a lawsuit later today to enforce the orders. We spoke to several restaurant owners in town who didn't feel comfortable defying the governor's orders, even despite Mayor John Moore going to bat for the city's restaurants.
We're going to stick with the state's restrictions as far as indoor dining goes. Luckily, and fortunately for us, we have a very large outdoor space, but although the local municipality is saying that we can move forward, being governed by the state of New Jersey and the ABC with our liquor license, we really have to abide by what they say. For us, it's just not worth the risk. We're going to adhere to the state restrictions, and we feel, most comfortable doing that.
Another owner of the very popular oceanfront bar and restaurant Watermark tells us that he intends on opening slowly, steadily, and safely. He believes that customers are going to play a huge role in our safety.
The good side about this is that customers, I think, are going to be well trained when they come back into bars and restaurants about social distancing, washing hands, cleanliness, and all those types of things. So I'm looking at my customers to also be a proactive part of the new rules that we all have to adhere to.
I asked what Mr. Lewis's thoughts were on how Murphy has handled restaurants reopening.
I think he's been very cautious. I think he's been conservative, and I do agree that he has taken all the measures necessary to keep people safe. I mean, come on, New Jersey's been hit really, really hard.
But businesses have been impacted greatly. One restaurant in town, Modine, closed up shop last week because they couldn't sustain themselves. The owner of the Bonnie Reed is absolutely livid over how the governor is handling this.
I don't know how he can enforce his executive order when he's not following it himself. We need inside to open. This isn't about making money. This is about staying in business. Big difference.
I asked if he plans to reopen against the governor's wishes.
That's the toughest call. Do I just stay and just sit down and hope that I don't go out of business, or do I open and get fined? I mean, it's kind of a rock and a hard place. We have outdoors planned for next week, but it's also supposed to rain every day next week, so there's nothing there. That puts us halfway through June.
Financially, we can't take another burden right now. We've been losing money since March, and it's money that will never be recouped.
Another business owner in town says she has to reopen indoors, or she would be out of business, even if it meant being sued.
I can't even think about that at the moment. I'm hoping this resolution comes, and I don't have to be the one that takes the brunt of this. We take great precautions to keep our staff and our customers well, and we did that before COVID. So I don't understand why we're the last to get going, why somebody can have 50 people in their backyard. They don't know where they've been. They don't know if they wash their hands. And we are taking protocol to do what our health department and our state has told us.
Right here on this street of Cookman Avenue, from Thursday through Sunday evening, the street will be blocked off, offering outdoor dining options for customers here in Asbury Park.
And we'll be able to have tables on the street. So this will be completely blocked off, so we'll be able to increase more outside dining. But it's a catch-22 because it's weather permitting. We don't have tents. If it rains, our day's ruined. That's tens of thousands of dollars gone.
As for now, outdoor dining is set to begin June 15th, but indoor dining remains prohibited. Reporting from Asbury Park for New Jersey News Network, I'm Kimberly Kravitz.